Hello dear student, welcome back. You are here with me again with new topic and today's topic is present perfect continuous tense. Although we have done this two part of this present tense, the first one was present indefinite, in which we discuss about some uncertain thing, in which we study something that how we can express our habitual action, some universal, some historical, and there are some other factors that we studied. Although all in all that we can say about the present indefinite tense that it says something uncertain about which we can't say anything exactly, that is it in existence or not, is it it has its own appearance, इसकी कुछ अपनी अस्तित्व है कि नहीं है. And this is the tense in which we study about the right time. एक उस टाइम की बात करते हैं जो जो कंसिस्टेंट होती है, रूटीन वर्क होता है, या हिस्टोरिकल कुछ चीज़ें होती है, लाइक कुछ यूनिवर्सल चीज़ें होती है, ऐसी बातों का हम उसमें जिक्र कर रहे होते हैं. एंड एज व्हेन वी मूव फॉरवर्ड इन द प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस, देयर इज समथिंग अबाउट the time in which we feel the action at the right that time when we are talking about, and the action that you have started, and today when we are talking about that, तो उसके बारे में हाँ हो रहा है. And sometimes we plan some actions for the future as well in the present continuous tense. And now we are talking about the present perfect tense. So what is the present perfect tense? So the first thing is that, right, perfect. First of all, I would like to let you know that perfect is a word, it is a Latin word, perfectus, which means achieved, which means finished, which means thing has done, खत्म हो गया है, काम हो गया है, या अचीव कर लिया है, right? So now you can see here on the blackboard that today's topic is present perfect continuous, and after studying this one, I will let you know what exactly it is. The present perfect tense is a grammatical combination of present tense, right? Present tense and perfect aspect, right? That is used to express a past event that has present consequences. Past घटनाओं का present consequences, right? It shows the link between past and the present. The time of the action is before now, but not specified. The present perfect is most frequently used to talk about experience or change that have taken place. In a simple way, I would like to let you know that the present perfect tense is a tense in which we talk about. This is the time in which we have started our action in the past and we feel its consequences as well. Right? So we can say the action we have started in the past has done. वो खत्म हो गया है, हमने कर लिया है. And not only that, there are many things that I certainly, definitely, I would tell you each and everything there how we can make its use. Just see in the next slide that what kind of formulas are there for the formation of sentences and formation of kind of expressions in this tense. All right. Let's see here. Affirmative sentences. If you are writing and if you are expressing your statement in affirmative way, right? The formula for this will be subject, have, third form of the verb and object. Why have? I have written here the two type of subject. The first one is I, we, they. I, we, they, and this is the noun here. Noun plural, as everyone knew that a noun is a naming word, and it can be anything, like this can be the name of person, things, and any particularized object, right? So if it is plural, so you will write have with it and third form of the verb, and then there will be the objects. Okay, and if your subject is he, she, it, and noun singular, if your naming word is singular, so you will write has and third form of the verb. Okay, third form of the verb and object. Okay, and this is very essential to know about these roles. So we have two examples here. He has done. He has done. Okay, it falls in this category. it falls in this category. He has, because it is a singular in itself. It's a third person singular, right? And the noun singular, then has, third form of the verb is here, the done and his homework. Okay, now I have done my job, and this one, this subject falls under this category, right? Plural वाली में, although it's singular in itself, but first person है, फिर भी देख लीजिए इसको कि I के साथ भी have, we के साथ have, they के साथ have का यूज किया जाता है, and people, people अगर शब्द कहीं आ जाता है, because children अगर आ जाता है, and anything which is plural in itself will carry the have, because they will fall, and it will fall under this category where you have to use the have along with third form of the verb to make sentence in this one. Okay, let's say in the second one also same thing you can see there. Yes, here's some more example. The sun has risen. The sun has risen, right? You can see the sun, because it's a singular in itself. The sun has risen. Okay, the people have, the people, because it's a more than one, it's a plural, so have begin their work, अपना काम शुरू कर दिए. Okay, all the students, all right, not students of my class have passed. All the students of my class have passed, because they are more than one. So okay, your son here has, is a singular, has submitted his assignment. Okay, he has deposited his daughter's fees. He has, third person singular. I have lost my purse. I. Okay, the first person, have. Right? I don't think that you have any kind of confusions with these the formulations of the sentences, because now we are in a state of mind that we knew, and then how we can make it, because we have the knowledge of the formula now, right? And the same here, if you are expressing your statement the negative sentence, so here is the formula. Negative sentence, if your subject is like that, anything can be, क्योंकि अगर आपको पता है कि आपका सब्जेक्ट अगर आई वी यू दे और प्लूरल है, तो उसमें हैव लगने वाला है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, थर्ड फॉर्म तो वैसे भी दोनों में लगेगा, एंड इफ इट इज योर ही शी इट एंड सिंगुलर नाउन है, सो हैज लगेगा, एंड देन third form of the verb also will be there, right? Has and have plus not, and then because you are expressing your negative statement, he has not started his new job. He has not started his new job. Sheetal has not broken her leg. Not broken her leg. Okay, they have more than one. They have not met with an accident. क्योंकि उसका कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं हुआ है, right? Let's see these example and just try to understand what are these. Now see these example here. Interrogative sentences. First of all, we will study about this section. Interrogative sentences in which we ask the question from anyone in any way, right? Our formula for the formation of such sentences and such expression and such statements are helping verb, because has and have is a helping verb, then subject, third form of the verb, and object, right? So there will be the question mark follow. Has she met John? Has she met John? Mon, Rakesh, right? Has he lost his money? क्या उसके पैसे, क्या उसने पैसे खोए हैं? Okay, have the players performed well? Have the players, they are not only player, they are more than one. That's why I'm writing the have here, and then performed well, right? Has Gitanjali heard this news yet? क्या गीतांजलि ने ये न्यूज़ अभी सुनी? Okay, yes, yet. I mean, have you signed all the paper? Have you signed all the papers? Have I killed the snake? सांप को मारा है? Okay, have the children made a mess in the kitchen? क्या बच्चों ने चिल्ड्रन ने किचन के बुरे हाल किए हैं, मैस किया है, पूरी तरह हड़बड़ा या गड़बड़ मचा के रखी हुई है उसमें, right? These were the some formations of the sentences here under this rule, And now you just see here, it is just the opposite, like interrogative negative. In this sections, we will study how we can use not in interrogative form, right? Has and have, subject, not, third form the verb and object, and then we'll follow the question mark, right? Has she not watched this movie 3 times? क्या उसने यह मूवी 3 बार नहीं देखी है, right? When have I left the school? मैंने स्कूल कब छोड़ा है? ऐसे भी कभी कभी स्टेटमेंट आते हैं. Have you not visited England? Has she not gone to the market? Gone to the market, right? Has she, singular. Third form, third person, singular. Has Sakshi not sent her assignment regularly? And these are some example, and I hope you will understand, and you know that how we can mix sentences, how we can express the time by using these formula. Just see here, and there is a lot more to understand that how we can use and how what is the usage and where is the usage of these formulas and all these things. Not only this, but also there are so much to know. Let's see first here, and in the next slide I will let you know more about present perfect tense. Let's come here to see that where we can use and how we can use to express action that have been completed but whose effect continue, right? Express action that have been completed but whose effect continue. Like, I have done my graduation, I have taken my lunch, she has lost her pen, she has ill since Monday, she has taught in this school for 3 years. See, in these above sentences, the things have done, काम हो चुका है, and its effect can be, seen yet. फिर भी इसका जो effect अभी देखा जा सकता है. How? So its effect can be feel in the present moment as you have done your lunch and satisfied, right? So I don't need any. ठीक है ना? इस एग्जाम्पल से पता चलता है कि भी हम कैसे इसको यहाँ पे फॉलो कर रहे हैं. In these sentences which is here in front of us, it says that काम तो हो गया है लेकिन इसका जो इफेक्ट है अभी भी महसूस होता है. जैसे ये खाने को लेकर दिया है कि भी आपने लंच कर दिया है इसलिए आपको भूख नहीं है. You are satisfied, so you don't need any. The same is here with these things. Okay. To express action completed recently, जो अभी आपने खत्म किया actions को. I have just received the letter. She has visited America twice. We have already decided to do this work, right? Use of these words like yet, as yet, already, just now, so far, since, ever since, presently, once, twice, thrice are used in such expressions. How to express action, which is started in the past and continue up to the present moment. आपने past में कोई काम शुरू किया है, अभी भी उसका काम जो है वो presently you can feel, and the effect is continuous. So here, right, these sentence can be expressed by using for and since के द्वारा इनका यूज किया जा सकता है. Like, because these are such action which started in the past but still continue. To express such sentences, present perfect tense can be used, but verbs will not be like that of present perfect continuous tense. See how. These are the verbs whose use are not used in present perfect tense or present perfect continuous both. There will be no problem in such action started in the past and still in progress are safe to make sentences, okay, and make no deviation and no change in meaning at all. Here are some examples that how we can use it. I have worked in this college for 10 years. I have not seen him since Monday last. We have broken each other for 5 years or for many years. Sheetal has lived in Shimla for 15 years. Still living. अभी भी रह रही है. Okay. Sheetal has living in Shimla since 1990. Since का यूज है और ऊपर हमने for का यूज किया है. Okay. She has written 5 theses since morning. I have known him for 5 years, etc. These are something which we can use in such cases, in such expressions. Okay, there are expressions like to express action completed in the past बट हुज कंप्लीशन टाइम हैज़ नॉट गिवन, जिसका कंप्लीशन का टाइम नहीं दिया होता है। इस तरह के एक्सप्रेशन जैसे द ट्रेन हैज स्टीम्ड इन, आने ही वाली है, आ चुकी है, सॉरी, द ट्रेन हैज स्टीम्ड इन, अभी अभी है जो आई है। ओके, आई हैव बीन टू आगरा वंस, एक बार आगरा गया हूँ। आई हैव बॉट अ न्यू टीवी सेट एंड शी हैज सीन अ स्नेक इन द bush, and these are some expressions. To expressing the news event and recent events just has happened, जो अभी अभी हुई है, like the rupees has fallen against the dollar, डॉलर के मुकाबले रुपए गिर गया। earthquake has killed more than 90,000 or more than that 1,000 people in Pakistan. The PM has said the government is going to take the stock of the situations. Stock of the situation here means to taking care of. Here means जायजा लिया जा रहा है, like. Here is a note. The past time denoting adverb of time is not used in the present perfect tense. If adverb of time sentence are applicable or time is essential to note in the sentence or in the expression, then sentence formation should be done in the past indefinite, like that. See how can you use it. The wrong sentence you can see. She has come yesterday. Wrong. She came yesterday. You should write. The wrong is I have seen him 5 years ago. No. I saw him 5 years ago. I saw. Father has returned from Delhi last week. No. Father returned from Delhi last week. I have passed my matriculation in 2005. No, you will write I passed my matriculation in 2005. Expression of yet, always, never, up to, now, today, often, several times, lately, recently, so far, ever, in present perfect tense can be used like that. Have the children gone to school yet? I have already visited America. Has the Ranika left yet? And these are some expressions, these are somewhat which we use in the present perfect tense. हैव यू एवर बीन टू दिल्ली, कभी दिल्ली गए हो? आई हैव ऑफन बीन देयर, मैं काफ़ी बार वहाँ गया हूँ। आई हैव नेवर बीन लेट फॉर वर्क, अपने काम के लिए कभी भी लेट नहीं होता है। आई हैव रेड दिस नॉवल सेवरल टाइम, इसको पढ़ा है। एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दिस ओ फिल्म। दीज आर सम एग्जाम्पल विद द हेल्प ऑफ these above words that you have seen in the previous slide here, right? That's it, that was your present perfect tense.